Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. English 7. In order to make pigs with technology, we had to make pigs with ourselves. Tris Harris. First all at with must by hours and hours. Or what society we find ourselves in and what strategy would be necessary to use to shut rail, so taking it to the his ethical and moral principles so that later the use of technology is not about values, but by every day, a support to right human dignity. Our brains are not made for our technology. Our brains should not be rival for our technology. Is with our wise and with not how to use emotional intelligence should add not to fault. So much in technological consumers and the late odd criteria to analyze a message or news, but that is application with help us organize ourselves to learn of new things and to improve our global communication. The correct use of technology prevents addiction to it, generates productive and well-being. The purpose of the summary is to make note of technology acts as leads and bounds over time, making our brain no longer rivals, and can be seen from the observation of the Mr. Wilson. What affirmed that the powerful device of the technology has increased dramatically while the essential political impulse of our brains had remained the same. However, this is not usually one of the complaints against technology combines today, but rather what the digital infrastructure of Facebook and Google has overhauled the natural capacity of our brains. But imagine it we manage to solve the private use the next utopia. Which would really by the hours of all or that the technological gains would be prohibited from trans or whereabouts online. That is they would only had access to the data with agreed to charge. Why was mine to sin creepy and feelings paranoid about online surveillance and private this remain unaddressed. Simply put, technology has outpaced our brains, diminishing our ability to date the world's most pressing challenges. Also, with although it are the only species capaz enough to identify the mismatch that exists between our brains and the technology we use. Find to create, find, finally to create as human technology we must think this about human nature. Which means talking about more than privacy. That is the only way to make peace with technology is to make peace with ourselves, with us. Thank you very much.